Maruti Suzuki, India's biggest four-wheeler manufacturer, took a giant leap in passenger safety with the new generation Maruti Suzuki Dzire scoring 5 stars in the latest round of global NCAP crash tests. The subcompact sedan scored 5 stars for adult occupant protection and 4 stars for child occupant protection. The Dzire model tested by the global NCAP was equipped with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, 3-point seat belts with reminder for all seats, ISOFIX mounts for the rear seats and front seat belt pretensioner and load limiter. The Dzire was also compliant with UN 127 Pedestrian Protection norms. The model that was tested was manufactured in India for the domestic market. The new gen Dzire scored 31.24 points out of a possible 34 points for adult protection for the passenger and the driver, and it had enough protection for the head and the neck for the passenger and the driver. Along with that, the chest had just about adequate protection and the knees had good enough protection. Also, the body shell and the footwell was rated stable and capable of withstanding higher loads. In child occupant protection, the Dzire secured 39.2 points out of 42. The report said that the child seat for the 3-year-old installed facing forwards using ISOFIX offered good protection for the head and chest but limited protection to the neck. For the 18-month-old with the child seat facing rearward, it was able to offer good protection to the head during frontal impact. The child restraint system passed the crash test in all positions. Where the new generation Dzire lost out points was the fact that it did not give the option to disconnect airbags on the front passenger seat should the driver choose to install a rearward facing child seat. Well, nonetheless, it is a huge achievement for Maruti Suzuki, who hasn't had the best of track records when it comes to passenger safety. What are your thoughts on Maruti Suzuki Dzire getting a 5-star rating from Global NCAP? Do let us know in the comments below. Till then, take care, drive safe, and if you liked this video, please do give us a thumbs up and please do share this video with your family and friends.